Today, Memorial Day. As you can see, I'm outside doing my grilling. I finished to grill my corn. So right now, I'm grilling my burgers. I'm grilling the burgers and my hot dogs. So now I'm flipping them over so they can continue to cook. So the hot dogs have started to get some browning. The Celtics game is tonight. So celebrating Memorial Day plus the Celtics. Celtics got one more game to bring it to go to the playoff. So hoping they win tonight, send Miami home so we can move on and win the championship. Go Celtics. Let's go Celtics. Oh. Oh. Over here is the grilled corn that I did. I grilled it. It was the first thing that I grilled on the grill. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. Lorraine's Kitchen Fusion Bash. Bye. Enjoy your holiday. And thank you to those that died and served the country. May God bless them, their families, those that lives on. And over here, I'm doing the mac, some box mac and cheese, something simple, because the game will be starting soon. Bye. Lorraine's Kitchen. Bon appetit.